the way this starch is draw. I almost want to draw it to my head.
Mejor.
What's up, YouTube? Hi, YouTube families. Welcome you all back to our channel, guys. Yes, guys, we are back again with another mukbang video. Guess what, guys? In today's video, we are going to be eating starch with pepper soup with a big tilapia fish and some dried catfish. And it's a challenge, guys. In this challenge, we are going to be eating with our left hand speed eating challenge to see who's going to win. How you are doing? Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. So let's say grace. In Jesus' name. Father, we thank you for another day like this. Thank you for providing for us. Father, provide for those that don't have. Provide for our subscribers and our viewers. Father, we thank you. Bless your name. In Jesus' name we pray.
Amen.
So guys, the challenge is going to begin in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Our hands are clean.
Our hands are clean, guys. Oh, thumbnail.
Oh.
That is the beginning of a journey.
Who is doing Ojoro? I almost forgot. I don't know how to start with.
It's hot. Oh. Guys, this food is so delicious. Look at the way this starch is draw. I almost want to draw it to my head.
Mejor.
Starch is hot. It's extra pepper soup, in case anybody needs. It's like you now learn how to use the left hand.
I have to be careful with it. Because
Before I was the king.
Which king?
King of left hand.
Where did you win that one for? Where? It's never a time you now become king. In where? In this challenge or in a mock prank?
Continue. Wow. So hot.
As a husband, you are king. Me, I'm queen. That area is different. You are my king, you are my hero, you are my everything. Just like the way I am to you. Am I lying?
You're not like this. I need to win this thing. This game. Wow. So guys, thank you for the love, thank you for the support.
Guys, using left hand is like somebody just borrowed me hand. I don't know, left hand. The people that is using left, well, they are used to it.
Yes, definitely.
The way you are slashing that starch, the pepper soup is coming out. See my eye here.
Don't worry, we'll not get to you.
I have to say it very quick.
Guys, this is not easy task. This is not easy challenge at all. Eating with your left hand.
As,
Guys, this hand is weak
it's weak. It's not easy at all.
because it's what we are not used to. And it's spicy. In this challenge, eat as you want. What is important is win. If she's able to win me, I'll give her 100 euros.
She what?
And you have to clear everything. Then I'll give you 100 euros. 100 euros with a gift. So try harder. Hi. It's not gonna be like walk.
Guys, this is more than work. Oh. My hand is placed. I'm feeling it hot. I can't even push my hand anymore to go further.
My hand is weak. Just weak.
At least my starch is finished, guys.
She what?
I'm first eating the starch.
It's not about starch work, it's about finishing everything. If I win, you give me the 100 euro.
As if I promised you before.
Okay. Wow. The winner is here already.
This hand is hurting me. Very.
Yeah. That is the challenge. That is the challenge.
It's like I've eaten bone, guys.
Drink water. Drink water. I think that one is too far for you. We don't want excuse. There's no excuse, eh?
My nose.
This fish is fresh. Fresh and sweet. This is pepper soup. Oh, pepper soup.
There's one boy they call pepper soup, no? Or the song was pepper soup, I don't know.
It's the song. Everywhere pepper soup. That is the song. Everywhere stew. They now start calling him pepper soup master.
Guys.
So I'm the winner.
I agree.
You agree?
Yeah, my hand is hurting me.
She what?
I agree. This place is hurting me.
What do we hear of this?
Where's the winner? We still have some fish left. Me and so let's end the video.
No. This video is not ready to end at all. I'm going to clear everything, then before we now say, okay, this is the real winner. Not that mine is remaining.
You get it?
We don't want some will say happy or some will say there's more.
No. This time around, I
Or
don't want no
there's
that.
no winner.
I don't want there to be that.
That thing.
I just want to make it clear. So I will clear it hands down.
As I tried with this left hand.
I don't think you ever win any left-hand game.
Who told you?
You win left-hand game. Was I sleeping?
Maybe.
Guys, take a look at my plate. I just eat onion again now.
What do you mean call it?
I don't have to look at Uche's face. I have to clear this food well.
So guys, thank you for watching.
Wow.
Thank you for watching.
Not yet. Keep eating. Don't worry, manage.
Me, I'm full now.
You are full.
Yeah.
Guys, we're supposed to clear everything.
You try, okay? Maybe you win, maybe you not. Maybe you are not, yeah. It's the same thing. Maybe you are the winner or you are not the winner. We never can tell. Some might say happy win because I'm the first to finish my stash. Okay, before the fish.
It's everything.
My hand is hurting
Well,
me.
look at the bone. Nothing is left.
So let's end the video.
You have to wait. Don't be in a hurry.
Let's sign out.
No, guys. I have to clear this head of state. At least I try like this. I discover everything.
You are still proving what now? I still proving I'm the winner. You just like that language, the winner. Who cares? Who cares? I don't care.
So guys, there's every tendency now that I'm the winner.
Where is the evidence? Please guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video to all social media platforms. So we see you in our next video. We say we love you from the bottom of our hearts.
We say bye-bye.
Bye. Love you guys. Peace out.